Old Jerash, a Roman city frozen in time. 2,000 years ago, this was Gerasa, one of Rome's greatest cities in the east. In 63 BC, Rome arrived under Pompeii. Gerasa joined the powerful Decapolis. Caravans brought spices, silk, and silver. Greek and Latin filled the air. In 129 AD, Emperor Hadrian visited. The city built this arch in his honor. A message in stone: we are loyal, we are wealthy, we matter. At the center stood the oval plaza, elegant, unusual, powerful. Here, politicians spoke, traders bargained, citizens shaped their future. The Cardo Maximus stretched nearly 800 meters. Chariot wheels carved their marks. Shops once lined both sides. Water flowed beneath the streets. Baths, fountains, theaters. This was civilization. The South Theater held thousands. Even a whisper on stage could reach the top row. Above the city stood the Temple of Artemis and the Temple of Zeus, power and faith intertwined. By the 4th century, Christianity transformed the city. Then in 749 AD, a devastating earthquake struck. Trade collapsed, buildings fell, silence replaced ambition. Centuries later, the city was uncovered, astonishingly preserved.